The Inspector General of the Department of Veterans Affairs, Richard J. Griffin, confirmed the allegations against the VA Medical Center in Phoenix yesterday. The hospital's administrators manipulated waiting lists to deny care to veterans. According to the New York Times, 1,700 patients were completely omitted from official hospital waiting lists and never received care.
Veterans seeking care in this Phoenix VA were hidden away, kept off the books in 4 separate schemes, including tricking veterans into accepting appointments far into the future, deleting appointments more than 14 days old, actually manipulating data, simply changing dates to fit the VA's goals without having doctors see veterans.
CNN reported on the VA hospital in Phoenix last month, claiming 40 veterans died as a result of the medical center's disproportionate wait times.
We've heard as many as 40 veterans here in Arizona, in the Phoenix area, could have died waiting for care.
That's correct. The number's actually higher.
Dr. Sam Foote just retired after spending 24 years with the VA health system here in Arizona. The veteran doctor says the hospital did have a list that showed the VA was providing timely appointments within 14 days. But that was a sham.
The only record that you have ever been there requesting care was on that secret list. And they wouldn't take you off that secret list until you had an appointment time that was less than 14 days, so it would give the appearance that they were improving greatly the waiting times, when in reality it had been 6, 9, in some cases 21 months.
The Investigator General has yet to confirm these deaths. According to the New York Times, the final report on the investigation is expected by August. President Obama gave an address at the White House earlier this month, stating he would not tolerate this kind of misconduct.
If these allegations prove to be true, it is dishonorable, it is disgraceful, and I will not tolerate it, period. Once we know the facts, I assure you, if there is misconduct, it will be punished. My attitude is, for folks who've been fighting on the battlefield, they should not have to fight a bureaucracy at home to get the care that they've earned.
According to The Wire, the scandal at the VA center in Phoenix lies within the context of a national epidemic of delays in veteran care and compensation. The National Journal reports that more than 300,000 claims to the VA have been pending for more than 125 days or more, a timestamp that puts them in the agency's official definition of backlogged. Veteran groups have lashed back against VA Secretary Eric Shinseki. According to The Wire, the American Legion publicly called for his resignation. The scandal has been heavily politicized. According to the Young Turks, the problem goes far beyond the VA secretary.
Look, maybe we have a problem with huge backlogs at the VA because a previous president sent us into 2 wars, and now hundreds of thousands of soldiers need medical care as a direct result of that. We shouldn't be surprised that there is going to be more expense and perhaps more waiting as well. We've got some numbers, so let's bring up the claims from 2009 and 2012. You're seeing the total number of claims there obviously far, far higher in 2012 because you have a lot of soldiers coming back from those 2 wars in other areas of the world.
Look, one guy started the wars, the other guy ended the wars, and now all the guys are coming home and they need medical care. And you're going to have a backlog because you guys won't spend a ton more money on it.
CNN reported a major TV ad in Alaska uses the VA scandal to attack Democratic Senator Mark Begich as he runs for re-election this year.
A national disgrace. Veterans died waiting for care that never came. Senator Mark Begich sits on the Veterans Affairs Committee. His response? If there's a problem, they need to fix it. If there's a problem?
I think in states where Obama is unpopular, absolutely you're going to see. I'm surprised there's not more ads like this, frankly, in some of those states. And I think it's why you've seen candidates like Allison Lundgren Grimes in Kentucky come out immediately and call for Shinseki's resignation.
That's the buzz for now. I'm Julia Rabe.